Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson from Tootylicious, which you can find online. Today I'm going to teach you to make cinnamon rolls and sticky buns from pre-made dough. Let's get started. So first things first, let's preheat the oven, and we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, and this is easy. So what it is I bought cans of the cinnamon roll dough, and they come in like 8s or 10s, just depending. So I bake these first before I do, and then I dress them. So I'll turn these into a sticky bun into cinnamon roll after the fact. So a sticky bun is where you get brown sugar and butter and pecans, and you melt it and turn it into a glaze, and then you cover it while it's still hot, and it's really, really good. And then a cinnamon roll, they already have the cinnamon and sugar inside, so I'm just gonna cover it with the glaze that comes out of the packet. Okay, so let's stick these in the oven. Okay, so now that these are out of the oven, we're gonna glaze them. And the hotter they are, the better the glaze will be. So this packet actually came in with the actual dough. So I'm just gonna squeeze this all over the cinnamon roll. And this is the cream cheese flavored glaze. And there's no right or wrong way to do it. You just get it all over there and get ready to enjoy it, because it is gonna be good. Okay. So there you go. So, and this is how you glaze a cinnamon roll. And then here is the actual sticky bun stuff. So it's butter and brown sugar and chopped pecans. And you want this to be hot because the butter will melt the brown sugar. And it'll become a glaze. So there you go. And there you go. So just warm it in the microwave for about 15 seconds to melt that brown sugar. They're really good. Oh, you are going to be so happy. You'll probably want to thank me. I might get an email from you. And a glass of milk, it is the perfect morning. Trust me. So there you go. That's how you make cinnamon rolls and sticky buns from pre-made dough.